Hey guys, Coach Day. Today's video is going to go over using point slope form. Here is the problem in the first one. It says write an equation that passes through 4, 0 and has a slope of 1. So the first step, what you're going to have to do is find information for slope. Well, right now it tells me the slope is 1. Now, what we're going to use is this point and this slope and put it in point slope form. Remember, anytime you see m, you plug it in right there for our slope. And then our point, 4, 0, this is our first x value, this is our first y value. So we're just going to take those and plug them in. The x1 goes right here, the y1 goes right here. So now let's just fill in the blanks for step 2. Y minus y1, which is going to be 0, equals m, which is 1, times parentheses x minus x1, which is 4. Now from here, what we're going to have to do is start to solve this until we get it into y equals. Our goal is to take it from this form and get it equal into y equals mx plus b. So what do we need to do first? We need to distribute. So you got to do 1 times x and then 1 times negative 4. 1 times x is just 1x. 1 times negative 4 is going to be negative 4. And we still have y minus 0. Now we want to get y by itself. So we would add the opposite, plus 0. Well, when I add 0, I still have negative 4. So we get y equals 1x minus 4. And now we have it in slope-intercept form. Y equals my slope times x, and my y-intercept is right there. Now, a hint, if you need more information, once you get it into y equals, you can then graph it. Remember, on your calculator, it's in the settings for y equals. Let's do a couple more examples. So, this whole side, there's going to be 5 more extra practice problems. Remember, we're using point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So it says write an equation in point slope form that passes through a line given slope. After we write it, we're going to change it into y equals. So, for this first one, I've got my point, I've got my slope. I'm going to label my point x1, y1, and now I'm going to take my equation for point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Since I have everything labeled, I just need to plug it in. So y minus 3 equals m, which is also 3, parentheses x minus, and our x value there is 2. So we plugged it in. Now we're going to distribute. So 3 times x, and then 3 times negative 2, which will give me 3x minus 6. And then we need to move our numbers away from y to get y by itself. So add 3, we get y equals 3x, and negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. Alright, not so bad, right? Let's look at the second one. I've got 0, 3 for my point, and m equals negative 4 my slope. So, point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now we'll label and then plug it in. So, y minus my y value, which in this one is 3, equals my slope, negative 4, times x minus my x value, which is 0. Next step, distribute. Negative 4 times x, and negative 4 times a minus 0. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times minus 0 is going to be plus 4. Correct. Correction. Anything times 0 is 0. Ooh, sorry about that. Now we need to get y by itself. Add 3, add 3. 0 plus 3 is going to give me 3. So I get y equals negative 4x plus 3. Sorry about that. I had a little brain fart. We're going to work 3 more, but I'm going to stop the video here and I'll put it in the next video.